The smallest drones were quadcopters, easy to carry and quick to launch. These were used for close surveillance, scanning rooftops, alleys, and tunnel openings. They can stay in the air for up to 30 minutes and send back live high-definition video. They were critical for confirming which buildings had fighters and which were empty, reducing civilian casualties. Medium-sized reconnaissance drones like the Hermes 450 and Heron TP played a bigger role. These aircraft can stay airborne for 20 hours or more. They fly at high altitude, out of range of most small weapons, and use advanced sensors, infrared, synthetic aperture radar, and night vision to track movement on the ground. During this operation, they provided the real-time map of Gaza that commanders watched in the control room. Then there were the strike drones. Loitering munitions like the Harap and Harpy are designed to circle an area until a target is found, then dive down and detonate on impact. They act as both scouts and weapons. Their warheads are powerful enough to destroy vehicles, command posts, and tunnel entrances. Communications were key. Each drone sent encrypted video back to a central operations center. Teams of operators sat side by side, each controlling a different drone, watching different sectors of Gaza. AI software helped by highlighting movement, spotting armed fighters, and recommending targets. Israel also used cyber tools. As the operation began, electronic warfare units jammed Hamas radios and disrupted their command network. This made it harder for fighters to coordinate or move hostages. Drones with signal intercept payloads listened in on enemy chatter, giving Israeli commanders a picture of what Hamas was trying to do in real time. Another critical element was precision. Drones can strike with far less collateral damage than fighter jets dropping bombs. A loitering munition can hit a single doorway or a small vehicle with high accuracy. This allowed Israel to take out targets close to civilian areas while limiting civilian harm. The operation was also a test of swarm tactics. Large numbers of drones flying at once create confusion for defenders. Hamas's air defenses were overwhelmed. Machine gunners could not shoot them all down. Some drones acted as decoys, drawing fire away from the ones carrying explosives. Compared to past operations, this was a leap forward. Israel had used drones for years, but never at this scale and with this level of coordination. The integration with special forces was especially notable. Ground troops were guided step by step by drone feeds, making the operation faster and safer. For military analysts, this mission showed the future of combat. Drone swarms, AI-assisted targeting, and networked warfare are now central to modern military power. The U.S. Navy and other Western forces have been watching closely, knowing that these lessons could shape future battles from the Middle East to the Pacific. By sunrise, the operation was nearly complete. Israeli commanders confirmed that most of the key Hamas targets had been destroyed. Dozens of tunnel entrances were collapsed, weapons caches burned, command posts were leveled. The drone swarm had done its job. The most important outcome was the rescue of the hostages. Out of the 50 hostages believed to be in Gaza, the majority were recovered alive. They were malnourished and weak but alive. Medical teams rushed them to hospitals. Some had been in captivity for weeks, surviving on little food and water. Their release brought a wave of relief across Israel. Families cried, hugged, and thanked the soldiers who brought them home.